Hello and welcome to the second entry of the Embedded Systems blog, where we're making a theremin. Today we're going to be designing and programming the front-end user interface, the live coding interface. Anything to do with Strudel, which is the code to music framework, we will handle today. So let's get started. So here a few months ago I made a prototype for injecting variables from the JavaScript into the music. Here we have an HTML slider, and the variable should be successfully injected into this code to change the volume of the resulting audio. So let's play it. And now I'm going to drag it up. And as you can hear, it's a bit louder. And now I'm going to turn it all the way down. And it's much quieter. So the value of gain is being injected into the Strudel code. And this also works with pitch. So now I'm going to turn this test into a proper looking GUI. Okay, it's not ready, but I started with the GUI. So over here in this section, it represents all of the data that you are receiving from the Raspberry Pi. Then you can, oh, that doesn't work yet. You can add variables. This is an example of what would be added. Then you can link the variables to the variables of the Raspberry Pi. You click on the cyclone, then it highlights, and you can click here and it has linked. Obviously I need to show that connection. I'll make it look nicer and stuff, and then I'll add an option where you can drag in variables and copy their code reference. So like this is the reference, so you can just press on copy and it gives you this. Okay, so I've been working on it basically all night. Basically the way it works is here you have your variables, and these are the inputs from the Pi, and they are just dummy values for now. I'll play it, and obviously we can change the pitch as usual using the variable reference, but now we can link the value of one ultrasonic sensor into the variable, and it changes on the value of the ultrasonic sensor. I think it works very well. Let's try changing the speed with the ultrasonic. This is the speed value. I'm just gonna add another variable, copy the reference to it. I need to write signal so that it updates. Good, it should be linked. And in fact it does get faster and slower. So now let's link ultrasonic 1 from the Pi to the first variable, which we set as the pitch, and ultrasonic 2 to the speed. And as you can see, the speed changes based on the value of the ultrasonic sensor. Thank you for watching this blog entry, and yeah, I think this is great. I like the interface, I like how everything looks. And in the next blog entry, I will be setting up the Flask server and linking the ultrasonic values to the Raspberry Pi.